Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't seen my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So today is another prime example of why trading with the trend is so important. The break of structure never did happen. The trend is up. I've been saying for weeks now that we should be looking for longs in an uptrend. And what happened? There was one, two, three waves down. Nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside at the PPI news today. And bam, very, very, very nice profitable trade. So with CPI coming out tomorrow, with CPI is a much, much bigger news event, it's going to be very interesting to see what that's going to do. It's probably about 20 hours, 19 hours until that news actually comes out, so we definitely got some time. I'm definitely going to have to reevaluate this before the news, but I mean, the trend is definitely up, and I would definitely always lean towards the trend continuing. So for now, at least until tomorrow's news, I am definitely still looking for longs at the end of any pullbacks I see for the continuation of this uptrend. I still think that we could be in a wave 3 on the weekly monthly time frame, and if that's the case, this thing has lots and lots of upside potential. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.